Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another very gorgeous hairstyle for you guys. This hair is from CurlsQueen and it is a beautiful balayage ombre color, and the texture is water kinky curly 24 inches. So yeah, without further ado, sit tight and let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so before we get into the video, I have two new Dossier perfumes to show you. So Dossier is a brand that makes dupes of your favorite high-end perfume. So if you don't want to spend excess money on a high-end perfume that you really like and maybe over $100, you can just go on the Dossier website and you'll probably be able to find an exact dupe for about $20 to $50, a much more affordable price for about the same quantity of perfume. So you're going to be saving a lot of money, and they're also in Walmart as well. So the first perfume I have is a women's perfume called Citrus Peony, which costs $29. It's inspired by Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, which retails for $85. The next perfume I have is a unisex perfume called Fruity Honey, which is $29, inspired by Jo Malone's Nectarine Blossom and Honey, which retails for $144. Head over to the Dossier website and see what you can get your hands on. So this is the box that the hair comes in. It's actually clip-ins. And inside the box, you have a little pouch that has a comb and extra clips and a satin scarf. And then when you take out the hair, this is what it looks like, as you guys can see. So these are clip-ins, like I said. And it has a very gorgeous, beautiful balayage color. Really nice shade of blonde that will go with a lot of skin tones. So as you can see, I have braided my hair in cornrows. Initially, I wanted to do a different hairstyle, but when I saw the clip-ins, when I saw the balayage color, I decided to just do a full head of hair so that you guys will really see the beauty of the clip-ins, and you guys can see that you can use one pack to do a full head of hair. So there are different sizes of clip-ins in the pack, some with 4 clips, some with 5, some with 3, some with 2, so that they can fit different parts of your head. And as you can see, the edge of the weft is very flat, so I like that it is this flat type that is not bulky at all, so that will actually help the clip-ins to lay down flatter and look more natural. So I'm just going ahead to attach the clip-ins to my hair. Very simple and very straightforward. You open and close the clips to attach it to your hair. Press it down to open it and press it in the opposite direction to close the clips. So as you can see, there are different sizes of clip-ins, and those clip-ins will fit different sizes, different parts of your head. So the parts of your head that are wider will have the wider clips, and the parts of your head that are narrower will have the shorter length clip-ins. So now for the front, I'm just showing you guys how I define and prep the clip-ins before I actually attach it to my hair. So I spray some water and then I take some mousse and then rub it through the hair and just finger comb it. Actually, only finger combing is enough to define the curls on this. As you guys can see, the curls are already defined and I haven't even brushed it yet. But if you want to go further, you can take the brush. I'm using the brush that came in the box, and I'm just using that to define the curls. And as you can see, the brush is just gliding through the hair. The curls are very nice and smooth, and they define very easily. So now I'm working on the front. As I said previously, I decided to do a full head of hair. So right now it's looking a little crazy in the front, but trust me, at the end you guys will see everything will come together. This is one of those hairstyles where you just have to trust the process. So now I'm taking the 3 clip-ins and putting them around my middle parts. I wanted to do a side part before, but I decided to do a middle part because middle parts look better on me, in my opinion. So I have put the 3 clip-ins at my parts, and like I said, right now it looks crazy, but we're gonna blend everything together and it will look nice at the end. So right now I'm just taking a diffuser and using it to diffuse the hair because it's still a little bit damp from the mousse and the water that I applied. And this diffuser is just basically going to give the hair more volume, make the curls look nicer and juicier, and make the curls define better. So as it dries, the curls are basically scrunched up, so it gives the hair more volume and it keeps the definition in the hair. So now the hair is dry. As you can see, there is a lot more volume. but it's still looking a little bulky at the top, especially at the parts. So I'm going to show you guys what to do to hide that part so it looks more natural. So right now, as you can see, I've already started the process. I'm using the crochet method, and people normally use this method for U-part wigs. So since I was doing clip-ins and I was doing it as a full install, I decided to try the method on clip-ins, and it actually works too. So yeah, you can use this crochet method for clip-ins as well. So you basically just take the crochet hook, put the hair, the clip-in hair on it, and pull it through at your part. And since this is curly hair, it makes this process much easier because curly hair is a little bit frizzy, curly hair is a little bit thick, so it's going to really help to hide that the edge of the clip-in weft. And also, since the edge of the weft is flat, like I showed you guys in the beginning, it's not bulky, it also makes it easier for you to do this method and for it to look more natural. So I just go piece by piece, take section by section, and crochet the hair. Please be careful when you're doing this so you don't pluck out your hair, you don't damage your hair. Just be very, very careful when you're doing this. Take your time to do it. It's not a process that you want to rush. So I'm just doing the last edge there. And as you can see, the left side is done. Just look at how it looks compared to the right side that I have not done. It's already coming together. So I went ahead and done both sides, and as you can see, the part is looking nicer, much nicer, but it's still a little bit bulky at the top. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take an iron as usual. You guys know me, and I'm going to press the top down just to make everything look better. So this iron is just going to flatten the top so that it looks like a better install. It was already looking nicer at this point. The clip-ins were already coming together, and it was looking like I actually went and did a sewing or something. So I am done installing the clip-ins, and this looks absolutely beautiful. As you can see, I did a full head of hair. I used all the clip-ins to do a full head of hair, and the hair is very thick, it's very full, so one pack would be more than enough. So I went ahead and put on some makeup to show you guys the final look, and I am absolutely obsessed with this. This is such a beautiful, beautiful install. As you can see, the curls are very defined, the curls are popping. And even though this hair is bleached, as you can see, even the bleached parts still hold curls really, really well. I don't know how they did it, but they bleached this hair and were still able to maintain the quality of the hair. The hair feels incredibly soft, and yeah, I love this. This is a straight 10 out of 10 for me. I have no complaints at all. Like I said previously, this is the Balayage Ombre Water Kinky Curly 24-inch texture. And yeah, definitely stay tuned to the end of this video for more information on the hair and where you can get it from. I am so obsessed with the highlights in this wig. The color is absolutely gorgeous. Initially, I wanted to do a different hairstyle, but when I took the hair out of the pack and I saw the highlights were so beautiful. So I decided to do a full head of hair because I really want you guys to see the highlights and everything. These are the best looking highlights I have ever received on pre-made extensions like wigs, clip-ins, anything like that. The highlights are just gorgeous. I don't know how they did this, but they really did an amazing job. It looks like professionally done highlights. Like, this will look so gorgeous outside in the sun. And the hair is not dry at all. It still feels very, very soft. I don't know how they did this to where they were able to bleach the hair and do the highlights and still maintain the quality of the hair, because the hair does not feel dry. You guys know when you put bleach on hair, it can weaken the strands, it can make the strands feel dry, and it can make the strands break and all of that. I got a little bit of breakage, but it was not excessive, and there was minimal tangling. As you guys saw, it was very easy for me to define the curls on the clip-ins. So yeah, this is gorgeous. When you take the clip-ins out of the bag, there is a chance that there might be some tangles because like everything is just stuffed in the bag. So I'd advise that you take out the clip-ins, each weft of clip-ins one by one, define it first before you attach it into your hair, and just let everything dry together. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a straight 10 out of 10 for me. I absolutely love this. I think the thing I love the most is the softness and the color. Oh, this color is gorgeous, and it's a color that will work on so many different skin tones, because sometimes when you get like bleached hair or highlighted hair or blonde-ish hair, sometimes the blonde is either too yellow or it's too orange, and you might have to tone it to fit your skin tone. But this shade is such a versatile shade that will go with so many different skin tones, so you really won't have to do a lot of customization to the hair. You can just literally wear it straight out of the pack. But yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.